Those people who wanted to have a sexy body. What did they always say? I wanted to lose weight. What happened when you lose something? For example, you have a car key or door key. What happened when you lose something? You want to find it. You want to get it back, right? So if you're losing something, you want to get it back. So when you want to lose your weight, in time, you will gain weight. Hello, beautiful people out there. So did you know that you have the power of words? And did you know that these words, statement, phrases that you always say in your life runs your reality? And did you know that this power of words are given to us by the source, intelligent creator, God, Allah, Buddha, whatever you believe in? It was given to us as a free will. Our power of words is our intuitive abilities. It's a psychic abilities for human. So, are you the type of person na you always say, sana, if, kapag, or are you the person who wanted to ask something or you wanted to achieve something and then you're thinking it twice whether you're gonna get it or not? The word sana or if is a neutral word. So when I say neutral, this can be a yes or no. And in the power of words, your mind only know what is yes or no. Hindi pwede ang pwede, hindi pwede ang try, hindi pwede ang if, at hindi pwede ang sana. When I learned my Theta Healing modality, it changed my life. Before, I usually go out when I'm going to my work. Late na ako, tanghaling gumising. And when I open the door, always I'm thinking of like this. Sana hindi traffic, para hindi ako malate. And the universe is giving me a traffic. Meaning you are already projecting what's gonna happen to you. And, for example, you wanted to buy something. You wanted to buy a house, you wanted to buy a car, you wanted to buy simple like food na medyo expensive. Or even shoes, right? Or even wallet. And you are always going to say to yourself na pag nakita mo yon, sana mabili ko ito. Sana matikman ko to. Sana magkaroon ako nito. The word sana implies that you have to work hard and sometimes go to this very dramatic thing para ma-achieve mo yun. And sometimes, it's ending na you will not be able to achieve it. Why? Because your brain, your mind, cannot comprehend or understand the word, what if, sana, try, so on and so forth. So if you a person na laging may habit ng ganon, think twice, think thrice, before you let out the word of sana. And one more example is those people who wanted to have a sexy body. What did they always say? I wanted to lose weight. What happened when you lose something? For example, you have a car key or door key. What happened when you lose something? You want to find it. You want to get it back, right? So if you're losing something, you want to get it back. So when you want to lose your weight, in time, you will gain weight because you lose it. Instead, learn how to change the word, the phrases that you wanted to have in your life. An example is, if you wanted to lose weight, it's better to say, I wanted to release my weight. When you're releasing something, you're letting it go. And when you let go and release, you don't have to find it. You don't have to get it back, right? And another one is, if people are saying that money is hard, you have to earn and work hard for the money. Because that's our common belief nung bata pa tayo, di ba? Magsikap ka, magtrabaho kang maigi, kasi mahirap ang buhay, mahirap ang ganito, mahirap kumita ng pera. So every now and then, the value and worth of something to you, you have to work hard on it. And every time you don't work hard for it, you feel that it's not valuable to you. And it's a perspective, different perspective. But for me, when I learned this technique, I learned the easy way how to earn money without going through the hardship, going down to this drama thing. And then whatever I'm asking, for example, if I wanted to get money or create money, I don't say to myself na, I have to work hard for this, you know, I have to work hard. You know what I'm asking? I let the money flow to me because I can create it and I can let it flow and come back it to me multiple times. That's how I changed my life. That's how I changed the way I speak and the way I see things in different perspective. So this is one intuitive abilities of a human person. Pwede natin i-develop and pwede natin i-apply sa buhay natin to make our life easier, happier, abundant, and less of drama in life. Believe it or not, you know, we humans of any kind of race are born dramatic. It's best for us, you know, that we are doing the hard way because it makes us feel worthy kapag ginawa natin na naghihirap tayo, di ba? And sometimes, when we feel this hard work, these things, we resent the process of it. So in Theta Healing, what we do is, we change and tweak that belief and make your life easier, happier, and enjoyable. So this is one of my tips for Theta Healing technique that I've learned and I am doing it in my life. So salamat beautiful people for watching me and watch out for my upcoming class.